Hi guys, welcome back to Graceful Beauty. My name is Sherry and today I wanted to share with you a really fun way that you can get free beauty products, skincare, hair care, makeup products, completely free, no money out of pocket. If you're not subscribed to my channel but you would like to be, just look down below and tap on that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified every time I post a new video, make sure you tap on that little notification bell. And if you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Maybe you're watching and you already have a YouTube channel or a beauty blog or Instagram and you're spending a lot of your own money out of your own pocket to buy new products all the time, to review them for your subscribers. This is something that you will really be interested in. When I started my YouTube channel just about a year ago, I did not even know about these ways to get free beauty products. So I thought I would share it with everyone. And maybe you don't have a YouTube channel. Maybe you're someone who you're a subscriber, but you love watching a bunch of beauty channels, but maybe you're thinking, I could do that. Like, I love skincare, I love makeup, I'm always helping friends and family. Honestly, I say go for it. You don't need to have a fancy camera. You don't need fancy lighting. I've got lights here, but I don't have them turned on. I don't even have the ring light turned on. I'm just sitting next to a bright window. And then I have the light on here in the room that I'm in. You don't need to have a separate beauty room. I just film right here in the bedroom next to the window. We live in a really small condo. It's like 500 square feet, I kid you not. But we do live on the beach, so I'm definitely not complaining. And that's something that kind of held me back for a long time because I thought, well, there's no space to do it. Where am I going to have a beauty room? Don't let anything hold you back and don't feel like you don't have something to share. I mean, I think that we all have something to share. I don't think that you have to be a makeup artist. I don't think you have to be an esthetician or a dermatologist. I'm none of those. I'm just an average, everyday woman who absolutely loves skincare and makeup, and I don't really love hair care. That's why, I wear my hair like this all the time. If this is something that you're interested in, I really think that you should go for it. So here's how you can get free beauty products. Now, you may have heard me talk about a website called Octoly. Now, I think there's a couple other websites where you can get free beauty products also, but I'm not really educated on them, so I'm not going to speak on those websites. But this website called Octoly, it is if you are a YouTube creator or on Instagram or if you have a beauty blog, it is a way where you can sign up. It's completely free. You just sign up, but you have to get approved. Now, I got denied, I think 2 times before they finally accepted me, so don't let that get you down either. But because I didn't have enough subscribers at the time. But once I had, a few thousand subscribers, that's when I got approved. So it's not like it's going to take you forever to get approved. I'm going to leave their link down below so you can look at the website, and they have what's called a free store on there. And if you get approved, they give you 5 shopping credits. So what happens is you can look through that free store and pick 5 different things. The only catch is once you receive those items, you have to do the review within 30 days. So once they give you those 5 shopping credits, you can pick each item. Now, also, when you pick the items, the company that's offering that item has to approve you as well. So say L'Oreal is offering something, I'm just making up a company, or say La Mer is offering something, they have to approve you. So what happens is when you use up all of your shopping credits, once you do each review, they give you that shopping credit back. So one great thing about this website, Octoly, there's no contracts involved. They don't have to approve your videos first, the way a lot of companies have to in sponsored videos. They don't have to make sure that you say all of the right things. You can just say whatever you want. And if it's a negative review, that's your review. They just want to know your honest thoughts, if it's good or bad. And so that's why I really, really like this website. And that's why I want to try to start using more of my shopping credits. I think right now I have 3 of them sitting there because I have these 2 products. I have to get this review done within a few days. So when I was on Octoly's website a few weeks ago, I was looking at some of the different products that I might be interested in. And I saw this one, the Sol de Janeiro, the Brazilian Foreplay. This is a moisturizing shower cream gel. Now, if you've watched any of my empties videos, you will know that this is a shower gel that I use all the time. This one's empty. It's in my next empties video. But I buy this shower gel all the time because it is, first of all, it smells delicious. I think it says it's like a praline caramel scent. This is perfect for winter time. I still love it in the summer, but there's something about this in the winter time. It's like one of those warm, cozy scents. Not only does this smell super yummy and it's luxurious with this thick gel cream texture, it foams up really well, which I absolutely love. But you know, a lot of foaming shower gels, they leave your skin dry and like the Sahara Desert afterwards. One huge reason I keep buying this over and over and over is because I actually can skip putting on lotion after I get out of the shower with this. It is a little more expensive than your average drugstore shower gel, but it does last a long time because you really don't need much at all. A lot of drugstore shower gels, I feel like on my loofah I have to like keep pouring and pouring just to get a lather, and with this you literally can use like a teaspoon of it and it lathers up so well. So it will last you a really, really, really long time, and the fragrance, oh, if you love those warm, cozy scents, I'm telling you, I wish you guys could smell this through here. If you want to smell it first, I think Sephora sells this too. Go to Sephora and just smell it there. And then they also have the coordinating cream lotion that goes with it, the Brazilian Boom Boom cream. That stuff is so good. But anyways, when I went in the Octoly store, I could have chosen anything, but I saw this and I thought, well, I did just empty out my other one, so I'll see if they will approve me for it, and of course they did. And this is the other product I got. This is the Click and Curl Blow Pro. It says it's a professional series blowout brush set, and you can dry, style, and set your hair in 3 easy steps. So let me show you what you get in it. So this is what comes in the box. You have this brush right here, and then you have all of these brush heads, and then I think this is just a hairspray that came in it. So the reason I chose this, and thankfully I did get accepted, whenever I go to the salon, which is not very often, when she blow dries all of this hair, she uses those big boar's head not boar's head, that's lunch meat. She uses those big boar hair brushes, and they're very lightweight, and so she'll blow dry my hair with a round brush, and then she leaves each brush in. And so by the time I'm done, I have like 10 brushes with brush handles sticking everywhere, and they're bumping all over. Well, I ended up buying those exact same brushes, so I have a ton of those brushes here. But when I do it myself at home, first of all, my arms are extremely tired from doing it, but then I have all these brush handles, and then when I try to go to the next section, it's like this handle is in the way the whole time. So I saw this and was so excited because I thought, ooh, I can do the same blowout that Donna does on me, but what this has is you can push this little button here, and then it comes off. And then this acts as like a curler in your hair, and then it'll cool, and then you can take it out. So then this way you can attach this brush handle to the next brush, and it just pops in there, and then you blow dry the next section. You leave these brush heads, which will act as like a big curler in your hair. The reason I'm not demoing it for you is because I can't get this thing to work. And now I emailed the company because I didn't just want to come on here and give like a negative review if perhaps I'm doing something wrong. You know, I would feel bad if I'm like talking smack about a company and I just really don't have a clue what I'm doing. So I have tried this multiple times and I absolutely love it. But what I don't love is after I blow dry my hair, I use the round brush and I leave it in, and then I pop this off. These don't stay in my hair the way the boar hair brushes do. The boar hair brushes, they somehow secure in my hair. And these, I don't know if I should buy some kind of big clips or something. I don't know how to keep them in because as soon as I move to the next one, it just rolls right out of my hair. So this was a miss for me, even though I was just so excited about it. You know, I'm thinking that maybe if instead of them having, let me just show you these bristles. I'm thinking if maybe instead of just having these type of bristles, maybe if it was mixed with those boar hair bristles, because somehow my hair seems to latch on to those boar hairs and it just stays in the brush. But this whole concept is absolutely amazing. And I used to always tell my hairdresser that, wouldn't it be nice if you could pop off the ends of the brushes when you're leaving them all in? So, of course, when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, that was something that, you know, I would have invented. Oh, so like I said, I did email the company, but I emailed them like a week or so ago, and they never got back to me. So I just figured, well, I tried to do the right thing. I tried to email them, but now I will update you guys. If they get back to me and they tell me, oh, okay, Sherry, you don't know what you're doing, like you're supposed to do this, or this will make it stay in or whatever, I will update you guys so that you can know. But this really is, I love, love, love the concept of it. It didn't work for me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And again, if you are thinking about starting up a YouTube channel or a beauty blog or whatever, leave me a comment down below. I'm not an expert by any means. My channel is still just under a year old, but if there's any way that I can help you or give you any of the little tips and tricks that I learned along the way, I'll be more than happy to help you out. And also, I have Instagram now. I'm so behind the times on social media. If you have an Instagram, connect with me on Instagram as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.